So, hello my dear friends, and welcome back to my art channel. Today I want to create an artwork with you from the inside, from the bright inside to the dark outside in all shades of blue. I will do this in circles. So the inner circle I will choose titanium white from Amsterdam. And then I'm going to the outside in circles with sky blue from Amsterdam, with primary cyan. Then I choose ultramarine from Winsor & Newton and Prussian blue from Amsterdam to the outer circle. I will make some rings with rich gold from Pebeo between all the circles I will do. And yes, after that, after I have layered all the colors on the canvas, I will blow it out from the inside to the outside, and you will see it will turn out really beautiful, I think. Yes, I've chosen a canvas 30 by 30 centimeter for that. That's a perfect size for it, I think. And yeah, let's see what we can create together. So I hope you have fun, and let's do something magic together. Okay, my friends, now I will start layering my colors. Like I said, I want to put the titanium white in the middle, and then I will go with every shades of blue I have chosen, from the brighter blue to the darker blue to the end. Yes, I will blow it out with like a star with my blow dryer, and let's see what we can get. Okay, I'm taking my white. I will look where is the middle. I think here it's okay. I always make one drop so that I know where I have to, where I want to put the middle part. Okay. So that's all. I will give it a quick torch. Oh, I love this technique, like this starburst. And now the fun part. I will blow it out now. it's a little bit different as I expected, like it is so often with Fluidart, but wow, it is really amazing. Okay, at first I will fix my sides. So, okay, let's look up for the design. I love this part here. Very cool. Yeah, I will work with my stick again. Okay, let's see what happens when we torch the middle part. Wow. I'm missing some gold here, so I will take one drop on my stick. It's wonderful. I feel like underwater. Wow. Yes, I will leave it like that and I'll show you the wet result. So my dear friends, this is the wet result of our artwork from today with only blue shades and white and gold for some special effects. Oh, do you see this? I love this corner. Prussian blue with gold and white. Amazing. Yes, it looks a little bit purple. I think that's because of the ultramarine from Winsor & Newton. Yes. I'm excited how this piece will dry. And yes, this is the whole piece. Yes. Wonderful. I like it very much. So, when you like it too, then like my video, comment on my video, I will surely answer. And yeah, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. And yes, I would be very happy. So, I wish you a nice day. See you soon. Bye.